Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the numlock on laptops. So as you guys know that in laptop keyboard there is no numlocks button. So if you want to enable it, you just need to follow this step that I'm about to show you. So first you can just click on the Windows menu at your laptop. So here I'm using Windows 11 as my operating system, and after that you can just find the on-screen keyboard or your Windows. So just type in on-screen keyboard and this will be show up. Just click on the app. Okay, so here is the on-screen keyboard. And to enable the numlock, you can just click on these options here at the keyboard, and there will be this options menu. So you need to check this, turn on numeric keypad, and after that click on OK. Then the numlock will be enabled. If you want to turn it off again, you can just click on options again and uncheck this box, then click on OK again. So that's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.